And welcome back. Today's video is about made of and made from and what's the difference between them and how to use them in the right way. We will be also translating some examples from English into Arabic and Indonesian. Let's get it started. Made of is used when the material is still visible. It means you still can see the material as it is. However, made from is used when the material isn't visible. It means you cannot see it. Okay? It's mixed, already changed to be something else. The second difference is made of is used when the material can be reused or taken again. However, made from is when the material cannot be used or cannot be taken anymore. Made of in Arabic means شيء من شيء. For example, طاولة من خشب, كرسي من خشب, صحن من الفخار, etc. Made from means مصنوع من شيء. For example, الجبن مصنوع من الحليب, الحلوى مصنوعة من السكر, العصير مصنوع من الفواكه الطبيعية. So this is regarding the translation of made of and made from into Arabic. Now, the Indonesian version. So, made of means dibuat dari. Dibuat dari. That's for the Indonesian for made of. Made from means terbuat dari. Terbuat dari. Okay? dibuat dari versus terbuat dari. مصنوع من وشيء من الشيء. Now we have some examples in English, Arabic, and Indonesian. So we start with the English one, which is bread is made gap flour and water. Now, can we see the flour and the water in the bread? Of course not. Can we retake and reuse the flour and the water? Of course not. In this case, it means the water and the flour are not visible and they are not reusable. So the best option is from. Bread is made from flour and water. Let's translate this sentence into Arabic. Bread means al-khubz is made from. مصنوع من. الخبز مصنوع من flour الدقيق والماء. الخبز مصنوع من الدقيق والماء. Indonesian language, bread is roti. Made from means terbuat dari. Roti terbuat dari. Flour is tepung, daqiq, tepung, and dan air is al-ma'. Roti terbuat dari tepung dan air. Cool. Number 2. The necklace is made gap gold. Now, this gold, can we see it in the necklace? Yes, we can. Can we reuse it? Yes, we can. So the best option is of. The necklace is made of gold. How to translate this sentence into Arabic? The necklace is السلسلة. السلسلة من ذهب. السلسلة من الذهب or سلسلة من الذهب or السلسلة من ذهب. The Indonesian version of it, the Indonesian for necklace is kalung. So, kalung dibuat, di, not B. Dibuat dari, gold is emas. Emas. So, kalung dibuat dari emas. All right. Paper is made gap wood pulp. Wood pulp. It's not visible in the paper, of course. And we cannot take wood pulp and we reuse it again from a paper. This means it's made from. Paper is made from wood pulp. Okay, let's translate this sentence into Arabic. We use the blue color. Paper is الورق. الورق مصنوع من لحاف الخشب. wood pulp. الورق مصنوع من لحاف الخشب. This is the Arabic for paper is made from wood pulp. The Indonesian one, paper is kertas. Kertas is made from terbuat. Terbuat dari. Wood is kayu. Kayu atau kulit kayu. I don't know if they can say that. Number 4, the floor is made gap tiles. Let's see. Tiles. Can we see it on the floor? Yes. Can we take it and use it again? Of course. Therefore, the right option is of. Preposition of. The floor is made of tiles. The floor is al-ardiyatu, made of mina. Tiles, we can say al-balat. Al-ardiyatu min balat. The Indonesian one, or let's give it some actions. Al-ardiyatu min balatin, or min al-balat, up to you. Floor in Indonesian is lantai. Lantai, terbuat dari, dibuat, dari keramik. Dibuat dari keramik. Number 5, chocolate is made cocoa beans. So the cocoa beans, can we see them in the chocolate? No. Can we take cocoa beans from the chocolate? Absolutely not. So the best option is, or the right option is from, made from. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. How to translate this into Arabic? الشوكولاتة. الشوكولاتة مصنوعة من حبوب الكاكاو. الشوكولاتة مصنوعة من حبوب الكاكاو. That's the Arabic for chocolate is made from cocoa beans. The Indonesian one, coklat, it's like this. C is ch. Coklat terbuat dari biji cocoa. I'm not sure how to. Is it cocoa like this? I don't know. I wish my friends can help me with this. So, chocolate terbuat dari biji cocoa. Please advise. Okay, we add another one. Number 6. which will be the last one for today. For example, the most expensive shoes in the world are made Gap leather. Let's go to the chart. Leather, can it be seen on the shoes? Yes. Can we take leather and reuse it again? Yes. So, of. The most expensive shoes are made of leather. Let's translate this sentence. 6. The most expensive shoes is أغلى أنواع الأحذية من جلد. أغلى أنواع الأحذية من جلد. Or أغلى أنواع الأحذية من الجلد. We can add ألف لام تعريف. Number 6 for Bahasa Indonesia. Sepatu is shoes. Sepatu yang paling mahal. Sepatu yang paling mahal dibuat dari kulit. Sepatu yang paling mahal dibuat dari kulit. Kulit is leather. And here we come to the end of today's video. If you liked it, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you are new to our channel. Do let us know which one was easy and which one was difficult for you, and if you still have any difficulties, feel free to drop them in a comment section and we will get back to you as soon as we read them. And one thing is, what lesson do you want to be the next time? We really would love to hear from you. So till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Ing Vibes. Bye bye.